Unit 6 Study Guide number 4. Let's write and solve a system of linear equations from a situation. So you want to join a golf club for the summer. Club A charges a membership fee of $100 and then $25 for each time you play. Club B has no upfront fee but charges $45 each time you play the course. How many times would you have to play before it makes sense to join Club A? So in these problems, we start with our unknowns. What are the two things that we don't know? Well, one of them is how many times you would have to play before it, the costs are the same. So let x equal the number of times to play. And so you always want to write down what your variables equal. And then the other thing you don't know is the cost, the total cost. So we'll go ahead and write that as, the total cost. Now we were given two different club scenarios, A and B. So A charges a membership fee of $125 for each time. So let's write an equation for the cost of Club A. So cost, or Y, is going to equal that one-time fee plus $25 each time. So if we take it times X, which is the number of times to play, that will be an equation that will show us our cost. Club B, so our cost for Club B has no upfront fee, so we don't have an amount like $100, but it is $45 each time you're going to play. Then how many times would you play before it makes sense to join Club A? So we want to know when these costs equal. Kind of the break even. And then after that point, probably Club A is going to be cheaper. So since we want to know at how many times they'll be equal, or our break even point, we're going to use substitution. So I'm going to take what y equals here in the second equation and plug it in to my first equation. So I get 45x equals 100. So this will tell us when the cost of these clubs are the same. So subtract your 25x from both sides, so you get 20x equals 100. X equals 5 times. So after 5 times, then Club A is going to pay off, because then each time you play after that, it's only $25 as opposed to $45. So it would make sense that if you have to play 5 times and then more than that, you would want to join Club A.